Qualify with builder's approved lender and receive lender credit of 3% to be used for interest rate buydown or closing cost assistance. Must use preferred lender and attorney. Welcome to the Creekside Model. Other homes are available. Brand new quality home in established area of South Norfolk. Spacious first floor layout with large family room and kitchen featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, LVP flooring, full height soft close cabinets and a half bath with granite and LVP. Roomy primary bedroom with closet space and full bath with oversized shower and shower door. 2 additional ample-sized bedrooms both with oversized closets. Separate full bath and laundry with LVP flooring. Attached garage, covered entry porch and rear patio. Ceiling fans in family room and all 3 bedrooms. 2-zone HVAC system, vinyl double-hung insulated windows and 30-year architectural roof.